Hello there, I'm attorney Kelly Longtin from Kelly Longtin Law, and today I want to talk to you about Raquel Welch on this video today. And she's recently passed away, and I want to talk about what her estate plan is or might be. Raquel Welch is an actor whose career spanned 5 decades, and she passed away in February, and she was at the age of 82. She appeared in 30 films and 50 television series. She won a Golden Globe Award and has a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. However, Welch was much more than an actress. She was also a savvy businesswoman with several successful ventures, including a fitness program, a wig line, and loads of celebrity product endorsements. Her reported net worth of $40 million will presumably go to her 2 adult children, although there are very few public details about Welch's estate plan. This suggests that Welch was also savvy about estate planning and may have set up a trust for her loved ones. But the lack of reports about Welch's estate plan, it does leave fans to wonder what will exactly become of her fortune. Yet this silence, together with the details of her family, does offer some clues. Now, although fame took a toll on Welch's children, she worked to repair her relationship with them, and by all accounts, they were on very good terms when she passed away. They made public appearances with their famous mother over the years, but according to Hollywood Life, her 2 kids led very private lives. It would therefore make sense that Welch would have set up a trust for her children rather than just having a will. Trusts avoid the probate process and can completely stay private. A will has to go through the probate process and it becomes a public record. Now, in addition to providing tax savings, a revocable trust would allow Welch's money and property to pass on to her 2 kids as privately as possible. Welch, in this scenario, would have transferred money and property to her trust during her lifetime and designated her children as the beneficiaries. Now, among these accounts and property could be Welch's Beverly Hills mansion that was worth an estimated $3.5 to $4.5 million. Welch was also charitably inclined. She had millions of dollars worth of wigs to the American Cancer Society. She'd been a spokesperson for the organization since 1975. She was extremely touched by notes from women who received her wigs. It is possible that Welch wanted to continue her philanthropy even after she passed away. If so, her estate plan could include a donation to the American Cancer Society and maybe some similar nonprofit groups. Now, Welch also lent her name to a number of product lines. While the Raquel Welch Total Beauty and Fitness program is unlikely a big seller today, and a lot of you may not remember it, but her wigs remain extremely popular. So that raises the question of what happens to her publicity rights and other intellectual property now that she's passed away. Now, the right of publicity, an intellectual property right that allows an individual to control the commercial exploitation of their name or image or persona, is widely recognized but varies from state to state. Now, one of the ways it varies is in the ability of a surviving spouse or children to inherit those publicity rights. Now, California, where Welch lived, they do allow heirs to inherit and capitalize on the publicity rights of the deceased for 70 years after that person has passed. In theory, Welch could have passed on her name, her image, and likeness rights to her children in a trust or a will. If she did, they would be able to file a lawsuit if her publicity rights were misapportioned or misappropriated. Now, under California law, Welch's children might also be able to financially benefit from her name, her voice, her signature, photograph, or likeness. But estate planning is not just for celebrities. Although many celebrities die without an estate plan, and this leads to the lengthy and highly public court battles that we all hear about. But dying without an estate plan is not unique to celebrities. About 2/3 of Americans do not even have a basic will, let alone more advanced documents like a living will or medical directives and powers of attorney. So we may learn more about the fate of Raquel Welch's fortune in the months following her death. But regardless, her passing serves as a reminder that you do not have to be a celebrity to create an estate plan. Every adult should have one, regardless of their status or their net worth. Not having an estate plan means having no control over what happens to your assets in the case of a disability or death. So you want to be able to take control of your legacy and start your own planning today by contacting your local qualified estate planning attorney. So I want to thank you for watching. I'm attorney Kelly Longtin from Kelly Longtin Law. Please like and subscribe our page below so you can hear more about estate planning and different topics so you can better understand how estate planning can benefit your family.